Hey y'all, it's me Naturally back with another video. So in this video, I'll be giving y'all a tutorial on how I created my own DIY length check t-shirt. I used some really easy tools to create this, so I wanted to share that with you all. Stick around so you can learn how to make your own. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Me Naturally here. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, stop, go ahead and like, comment if you have a question, and subscribe to join the Hair Hype crew. I mean, it's free. Anyway, I am here to bring you all with another awesome tutorial video. Today, I'm leading a tutorial on how to make your own DIY length check t-shirt. So I've always wanted to make one of these for myself, and I figured while I'm making it, why not do it as a video so y'all can do it too. It was super cheap to buy the t-shirt and make it. I got this t-shirt from DD's, but you can find a similar one like this for $5 at Ross. And the other supplies that you'll need for this can be bought at the dollar store as well. So I didn't pay more than $10 to make this whole thing, and it beats paying somebody else $20 for a shirt like this. So, and you can create it any way that you like, with any colors you like. So that's another thing that I like about making your own version of this type of t-shirt. So if you are interested and ready to make your own version of a DIY length check t-shirt, stay tuned. Alright friends, so to start off this video, these are some of the supplies that you'll need. I've got a cardboard. Here's the t-shirt that, like I said, I bought at DD's. I spent $5 on this t-shirt, but you can find this at Ross. We've got a ruler here that I bought at the dollar store. We'll need a Sharpie, definitely a black Sharpie so that you can see the line marks. And then I bought two other Sharpies as well, one pink and purple, to mark the numbers on the side. So as you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and take some time to open up these packages so that I am ready. Alright, so before we start marking our t-shirt, I'm going to take this cardboard, and what we're going to do is we're going to slide the cardboard in between the t-shirt. And what that's going to do is this is going to allow our shirt to be stretched so that we can mark it, and it hopefully won't move around too much. And also this will help with bleeding because you don't want the marker to bleed onto the front of the shirt. You only want it to show on the back. And because this is permanent, the marker really shows and bleeds through the clothes well, so you definitely don't want it to be on the front of the shirt. So as you can see here, I'm making sure it's straight because we want our line straight. Dusting off the front, making sure everything is ready. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I'm taking the ruler, and with this ruler we're using the side that has the inches, right? And we're going to start right at the top of the neck where the 0 mark is, and we're going to take some time and just mark down the shirt at the inch mark. So as you can see right here, I'm using the black Sharpie because this is the darkest color, and I'm starting off at the 1 inch mark, and then I'm making my way down. Alright, so far what I've done is I've created my 1 inch marks all the way down. And so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take that same ruler, line it right at the 1 inch mark, and we're going to draw a line all the way across. Now, as you can see, it looks like it's leaving dotted marks. So you'll really need to make sure that the way that you're doing this, is pretty smooth. You may have to run over it a couple times. And I discovered this as I was doing my shirt, that whenever I am trying to draw the line, sometimes the fabric will snag. And so I might have to go over that line again and make sure that the line is nice and bright, because whenever I'm doing my length checks, I definitely want to see where that line is. And of course you can dot it, that's definitely an option, but hey, why not make that line nice and bold and right where we can see it. All right, so I am done. The lines are done, and I actually love how this turned out. It looks very clean. And so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the pink marker and we're gonna just go down the sides and mark it from 1 to 26. So we have a total of 26 lines on this shirt. Your shirt may have more lines depending on how big your shirt is or what your hair length goals are, but for this shirt I had a total of 26 lines. All right, so now I'm done with this side, and as you can see, the pink is showing pretty bright. I love pink. All right, so now what I'm going to do, now that I'm done with this side, I am going to go ahead and do this side. So here we go. Boom. All right, so I just want to show you one more time how these numbers look. So far, they've turned out pretty well. Looking at it here, and I'm really pleased with how it looks. So we're gonna go ahead and put the pink one away. We're done. And we're gonna pick up the purple one, and what we're gonna do with this is I've decided to use this to mark on the t-shirt the different hair length sections. So basically what I mean by that is, starting off at the top, that would be considered shoulder length hair. So I'm gonna write SL for shoulder length. And then moving down to where the armpits are, that would be considered armpit length. So I'm gonna write APL as abbreviation for that. About 2 lines down, that would be considered the bra strap length. So I'm gonna go ahead and put BSL for bra strap length. And that's gonna rest right there. And then what I'll do next is midway down, that would be considered waist length. Y'all, that is my goal. I definitely want waist length hair, so I need to get my life together, okay? Then from there, at the very bottom is hip length. So I'm gonna write HL for hip length. And what I've taken time to do is just go over it a couple times to make sure that it's bold. And as you can see, we are actually pretty much done with this t-shirt, y'all. The top looks kind of yeah, but I know what it is. And as you can see, I have all of the other marks for the different hair length goals that I have. All right, so we're gonna move on so y'all can see what this looks like on my body. So this is what it looks like as I'm wearing it. What I actually really like is that you can see the colors pretty well on me, and the lines go all the way across the back so that I can see it. All right, so here I'm actually going to do a length check using my new t-shirt that I created. And this is a first for me. So what I've noticed is if you're gonna do this, make sure your head is straight. You don't wanna tilt your head back, nor do you wanna tilt it forward. You want this length check to be accurate. So make sure your chin is straight. And yeah, there it is. I will say I was completely surprised because I was thinking that my hair was like armpit length, and it's not. It's actually past bra strap length, which is super exciting, which means I'm closer to my goals, y'all. Closer to my goals. Oh my gosh. So yeah, this is essentially how you create your own length check t-shirt. I can't wait to hear how it goes for you all. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to love yourself. Thanks for seeing me naturally. Bye.